What is supply chain management? The term supply chain is a connected network of individuals, organizations, resources, activities, technologies involved in the manufacturing and sales of a product or service. Companies develop supply chains so that they can reduce their costs and remain competitive in the business landscape. The flow of physical materials and services from supplier to the consumer. Primary product flow. The flow of cash from customers to the raw material supplier, primary cash flow. The flow of information back and forth along the chain, information flow. The reverse flow of product returned, reverse product flow. 5 stages altogether formulate a supply chain management strategy. You will now discover them in brief. Sourcing. Following the planning, the next phase is to develop or source. At this stage, you are primarily concerned with developing strong relationships with raw material suppliers. Planning operational strategy. In order to address how the products and services will fulfill the expectations and necessities of the consumers, you need to design an effective operational strategy. The main focus at this stage is to focus on designing a strategy that yields maximum profit. Manufacturing, making, the products are created, manufactured, tested, packaged, and synchronized for delivery at this step. The supply chain managers are tasked with arranging all manufacturing, testing, packaging, and delivery preparation activities. Delivery. This phase deals with product sales and distribution of products across all retail stores. It is a logistics phase, where consumer orders are approved, and product delivery is set into motion. Returns. This last phase controls the return of defective or damaged products by consumers. This level of the supply chain is frequently a source of contention for many businesses. Supply chain planners must devise a responsive and adaptable network for receiving damaged, faulty, and additional items from consumers and expediting the return procedure for customers concerned with supplied products. Supply chain management is critical for any organization. The following are some of the advantages that a well-managed supply chain